No, I didn't mean to kill you. But I wanted to say full of people, full of mosquito, full of something. In Kazakh language, when they do this, they mean it's full of. It doesn't mean that I wanna cut your throat. Hey everyone, I'm taking you on a trip in Kazakhstan. We went to Almaty from Bishkek, a 4-hour trip including border crossing. Almaty is one of the largest cities in Central Asia, with a population of over 2 million people. It's not the capital anymore, but it still feels like the cultural and economic heart of Kazakhstan. One of the first places you must visit is Kok Tobe Hill. It's a perfect place. It has a breathtaking view of the city, especially in the evening. You can drive up or take a minibus to go to the top. You will find cafes, souvenir shops, and even a mini zoo there. For dinner, I highly recommend the local favorite, Lachin. It's known for serving some of the most delicious shashlik in the city. To navigate in this big city, you should definitely use 2GIS or Yandex Map. With Google Maps, we got lost several times. We came to a place called Alma-Arasan, but the road is closed. However, it's not a problem for us. We crossed. We are going to that way. This is the only bridge remaining. The rest of the bridges are gone already because they are doing some renovations. So we have only one bridge to cross. Later that we will come back. It's beautiful here and it's very cool weather. Look at it. Alma-Arasan is located just 40 minutes from the city center, if you avoid rush hour traffic, because the traffic is terrible in Almaty. Alma-Arasan is so beautiful that feels like a completely different world compared to the urban life of Almaty. Surrounded by pine trees, waterfalls, and fresh alpine air, it's a paradise for hikers and nature lovers. There is even a trail that leads to natural hot springs. And if you go early in the morning, you might just have it all to yourself. Now I wanna leave you in peace for half a minute with this beautiful nature. The next stop is Medeu. This place is legendary. It's home to the world's highest ice skating rink, located at 1,691 meters above sea level. Even if you are not into skating, the scenery is worth the trip. You'll also find the famous Medeu stairs, 900 steps that climb up to a panoramic viewpoint overlooking the rink and the surrounding mountains. It's a bit of a workout, but totally worth it. Almaty uses wind turbines to generate energy. You will spot them across the steppe areas, adding a modern and eco-friendly touch to the region. Natural gas pipelines running above ground. It's quite unusual if you are not from this region, but totally normal here in Kazakhstan. We left Almaty early in the morning to avoid from the traffic, and we arrived Qara Canyon. Greetings from Qara Canyon, Kazakhstan. Look at this Grand Canyon. It's like Grand Canyon in the US. In Central Asia, you could find everything. In Kyrgyzstan, beautiful places like Switzerland. And in Kazakhstan, here you have Grand Canyon. It's amazing. Central Asia. Close to the city of Almaty. It's about 3.5 hours drive from Almaty city. And this is the view. Amazing. Qara Canyon is often referred to as Kazakhstan's Grand Canyon. It's about a 3-hour drive, but the landscapes along the way keep it interesting. When you arrive, you are greeted by dramatic red rock formations carved by centuries of wind and water. It feels like stepping onto a movie set. I will give you another 30 seconds so you can also get lost in Charyn Canyon. Just 20 minutes from Qara Canyon is Qara Canyon, aka Black Canyon. Less touristy, but just as stunning. It's a perfect spot to take a break and enjoy some local snacks like piroshki filled with potatoes, warm, crispy, and super satisfying after a long walk. Greetings from Kolsai, Kazakhstan. To come here, you need to take a taxi, or you can come self-driving. It takes about 3 hours from Almaty. 3 hours from Almaty to Charyn Canyon. You could see the canyon within 2 hours, and after the 2 hours, you can take another 1 hour to arrive Kolsai. This place is truly amazing, like Switzerland. So here is another beauty of Central Asia. I won't stop advertising these lands. Look at this. There is nothing less than Switzerland, huh? Look at that. Salem, salem. Güzel at. İlgilenmiyor mu benimle? It is magical, known as the Pearls of the Tian Shan Mountains. It's incredibly photogenic. You can go boating, set up a picnic, or just sit quietly and take in the silence and beauty. Greetings from Kolsai Lakes again. So we are on a catamaran. You could get them at 10,000 tenge. It's about it's very cheap. Welcome to Kaindy Lake. Just when you think that the day can't get any better, there is Kaindy Lake. To get there, you better take a taxi if you don't have a off-road car, because you will literally go off the road. What makes Kaindy Lake so special is its underwater forest. Yes, underwater. After an earthquake in 1911, a landslide created a natural dam, and over time, the valley filled with water, preserving the tops of the submerged trees. And with that, the trip ends. We came back to Almaty, and from there, we drove to Bishkek. From Kazakhstan to Kyrgyzstan, walking and passing the border. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more adventures, and let me know in the comments. Have you been to Kazakhstan, or is it on your bucket list? Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.